Okay, this is number 13 on page 237, and I've got two fractions to add, and I can only add them if they're written over the a common denominator. So in trying to find the lowest common denominator, this is a pretty easy one. I just look at, there's only one coefficient, one number, so I got to pick up the 2. And then for p's, I have got p and p to the third, so I pick up the highest power of that factor. And then I've got q's in each of them, and the highest is the q to the fourth. Okay, so what I have to do now is kind of beef each of these fractions up to be over the lowest common denominator. So I'm going to focus on what's the missing factor. What do I need to multiply 2p q to the fourth by to get 2p to the third q to the fourth? And I'm missing 2 powers of p. So this gets multiplied by 1 in the form of p squared over p squared. This is just a 1. I can always multiply anything by 1. It doesn't change its value. On the next fraction, I just have a p to the third already in the denominator, so I'm going to need a 2. And I have a q squared, and I need 2 more powers of q. So this is going to be 2q squared over 2q squared. So anyway, multiplying both of those by 1, I'll now have both of these over the lowest common denominator of 2p to the third q to the fourth. So writing it over that, I have to combine these numerators. So 1 times p squared is p squared, plus 2 times 2q squared will be 4q squared. There's no common factors to factor out of that sum, so with this I'm done, and that's the final simplified answer.